AI is an amazing resource, especially when it comes to character designs. But what happens when you just can't get what you're looking for? Well, I'm going to share my experience with that and what I did to overcome it. Let's get into it. I want to start by revisiting Lady Domania. That's the character that you see here. And this is the AI image that MidJourney came up with that I decided, you know what? I like this one. Now, here you can see the original. I've got two pretty clear images of what she looks like, generally speaking, in the comic. And on the left, you can see that it's pretty plain. There's really not a lot going on. Her outfit is very uninspired. And there's a lot to be desired from the original that you can see there. It's really, honestly, not that good. Now, on the right, I've got a few different images that I drew and colored based on that AI concept. You can see she's got the sort of the bikini version, which is more scantily clad, I guess. And actually, that one works best for what I'm going for. So far, it's the one I've decided I'm going to use, believe it or not. Now, on the far right is the newest one I did, where I tried to really take this a little bit further and make it match as closely as I can the actual concept. So she's got her thigh-high boots are even higher up on her thigh, and she's got the black gloves, and I've put a little bit of texture into that black leather. And I think they all kind of hit the mark in different ways. But, you know, these are just for basically exploring and iterating and brainstorming really cool ideas. And it's up to you to take which parts that you like and make it your own. So, for example, I love the concept, but it turns out that I wanted to sort of make a couple of changes on the fly that I think worked out a little bit better for what I was going for. Now, here you can see Longsword. This is a different version on the right of Longsword, and it's a decent kind of basic design. I think it works. But I thought, why not go through the same process and use AI to come up with some artwork that might even make him more interesting, that might give him that might give him kind of a less boring, basic look. So here I've got a series of renders from MidJourney once again, and none of them were really what I was looking for. You can see I've circled parts of each of these images that I like. So maybe the belt, maybe the shoulder pads, maybe the collar, you know, the arm guard, etc. So none of them really hit what I was looking for, but I thought, you know what, instead of iterating for hours and coming up with 100 different concepts, it's a little bit overkill. There's enough here to where I, as an artist, have the ability to kind of pick and choose, to mix and match, to Frankenstein, if you will, a character that I like based on bits and pieces of these various AI concepts. AI is just a tool, a very good tool, mind you, but it is just a tool to help you out. Speaking of helping out, if you like this video, please like this video. If you find the information I'm providing valuable, consider subscribing, and please leave a comment or a question, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. But I appreciate you watching this long. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Take care.